Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.